One of the objectives of Center of Excellence on Sustainable Agriculture Intensification and Nutrition, SAIN, is to play a role in facilitations of research and extend activity between USAID, Feed the Future Innovation Labs in Cambodia, and other funded institutions on sustainable agriculture intensification and nutrition, SAIN, which will be integrated and together linked for the optimum benefits of stakeholders. In the establishment of SAINs in 2016, we have coordinated several projects funded by 6 Feed the Future Innovation Labs, including Sustainable Intensification Innovation Labs, Fish Innovation Labs, Food Safety Innovation Lab, Integrated Pest Management Innovation Lab, Livestock System Innovation Lab, and Horticulture Innovation Labs. In 2004, the CIRAD and MOV team of French and Cambodian scientists introduced conservation agriculture in Cambodia. In 2010, the Sustainable Agriculture Resource Management Innovation Lab partnered with CIRAD and MOV team to research and scale up conservation agriculture in Battambang Province, leading to the formations of MOV Conservation Agriculture Service Center, CAST. Through SAIN, USAID Cambodia missions funded the Conservation Agriculture with a Fee, CAF projects, initiative in partnership in Swiss contact. CAF projects created demand by Farmer of Conservation Agriculture, CA, services from private provider and facilitated the importance of appropriate CA equipment for machinery dealer to purchase and sell to service provider. SAIN is key in enabling private entrepreneurs to profitably offer CA services, starting a private-driven transformations from soy-degrading conventional till to soy health-enhancing CA production systems. Through a partnership with Kansas State University and WorldFish, SAIN was awarded by Fish Innovation Labs to implement development of big head catfish culture for sustainable aquaculture in Cambodia. The grant built the research capacity of the Royal University of Agriculture. SAIN enhanced the investment of FIL by successfully partnering with Southeast Asian Region Center of Graduate Study and Research in Agriculture, SICA, to fund the Cambodian to pursue a master's degree in the University SAINS Malaysia, with the student conducting a study in the FIL funded to build 40 aquarium research facility in RUA's facility of fishery, while finding the optimum soybean meal feed formulations to replace small fish of the culture of big head catfish, the second most consumed fish in Cambodia. SAIN joined with Purdue and KSU to implement a quick start projects of the food safety in 2020. The current project is the foodborne pathogens vegetable in Cambodia. That SAIN play as a lead implementation partner in Cambodia, working with Institute of Technology of Cambodia and Institut Pasteur de Cambodge. This project, led by Jesse Winfarm of Kansas State University and Paul Aber of Purdue University, is targeting food safety gaps in the productions, distributions, and sale of vegetables in Cambodia. Together with the colleague at RUA and other strategic partner, they are identifying the bacterial pathogens that pose the greatest food safety risk and investigating critical control points within the food value chain to identify contributor to pathogen contaminations, transmissions, and persistence. Rats significantly impede rice growth and threaten food security in Cambodia by feeding on seeds and maturing plants. Through their connection with SAIN, the Integrated Pest Management Innovation Lab successfully partnered with the International Rye Institute to increase smallholder farmer access to sustainable tools like the trade barrier systems while reducing reliance on electric fence and chemical pesticides. In addition, SAIN also collaborated with IDE, an implementing partner of another IPM-funded projects. The research of IDE was conducted and demonstrated at the SAIN ATP in Siem Reap Province. The Feed the Future Innovation Labs for Livestock System, implemented led by the University of Tennessee in partner with SAIN, involved the rigorous evaluations of 3 nutritious living plant species for their potential as supplemental livestock and human nutrition and as effective barrier for free-range animals to eat growing crops. In addition, Kansas State University, through facilitation by SAIN, partnered with the Faculty of Veterinary Medicines in RUA and improved pig productions of Cambodia's smallholder farms by targeting 2 top factors on pig health: disease management and nutrition. In Cambodia, vegetable production is farmed by women. Through research projects funded by SANREMS and Horticulture Innovation Labs, the conservation agriculture with drip irrigations for commercial vegetable home garden technology was established that enhance soil health, lessen labor, save water, and increase yield and income. SAIN have been demonstrating this technology to the 4 SAIN ATPs. The fishing industry is important for food security as well as family income for daily livelihood, with each Cambodian's average annual fish consumptions as one of the highest globally at 38 kilograms, resulting in fish depletions, including small fish as feed for aquaculture. In 2017, the American Soybean Association, ASA, reached out to SAIN to test soybean meal for pig and poultry in Cambodia. ASA witnessed the extensive networks, collaboration, and synergistic engagement of SAIN with multiple institutions and stakeholders. Hence, with SAIN as key partner, ASA led a proposals and was funded by the United States Department of Agriculture, $17 million to implement the commercializations of aquaculture for sustainable trade, or CAST projects, or CAST projects. SAIN applied a research success by the Aquafish Innovation Labs to propose commercialized products of snakehead fish, a top fish eaten in Cambodia, by feeding snakehead with soybean meal instead of small fish from the Mekong. Besides Innovation Lab, SAIN also manages and coordinates projects funded by the USAID like Peer and Farmer to Farmer, the United States Department of Agriculture, the United Service Foundation, SICA, and other donors.